What color is this one? Black. Okay. This one? Do you remember? Brown color. Let's see. Wait, and this one? Green. Orange. Really good. Purple. This one? Blue. This one? Yellow. The last one? Red. And do you remember that we have here many things, different colors? Okay, and you are going to come one by one. And we are going to take the colors and put it in the box. Okay? Oops. Okay. Lucas, can you take something black? Black. Something black. Okay, something black. Perfect. I'll put it in the black box. Okay? Really good. Okay. Alice, can you take something red? Red. Something red. Red. Okay, I'll put it in the box. Which box are you going to put it in? Which box? Okay, put it inside. Really good. Oscar, can you take something blue? Blue. Blue. Blue color. Blue. Perfect. The crayon. Where are you going to put it? Excellent. Lucia, can you take something yellow? Yellow. Really good, the star. The star is yellow. Perfect. Juanito, can you take something blue? Blue. The balloon. And in which one you are going to put the balloon? Really good. And now Ali, can you take something yellow? Yellow. Very good. Excellent. And in which box are you going to put it? Yellow. Okay, the banana is yellow. Elena, something green. 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 Perfect. Okay, the flower. And what is the... No, that's not the t-shirt. Yes. Okay. What is the green? What is the green paint? What is the green? Stand up. Okay, very good. Adri, something orange? Orange. Okay, great. Try to find the orange. Sophie, something yellow. Yellow. Something yellow. Okay. Anna, something blue. Blue. Something blue. You remember the blue color, Anna? Oh, you must be careful. Something blue. Anna, blue. Blue. You are Anna, Sofia? Elena, you are Anna? Venga, Anna, something blue. Blue. Something blue. Something blue. The bird. The bird. El pajarito. The bird. What is the bird? Yes. That is blue. Okay. Hola. Perfect. Okay, Carla. Find something green. 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 This one we are playing with the colors. Perfect. Put it there. Where are you going to put it? Okay, really good. Miguel, something brown. Look for the teddy bear. The teddy bear. What is the teddy bear? El osito, the teddy bear. Okay, just take it. The teddy bear is brown. Okay, what is the brown color? What is the brown color? What is the brown color? Okay, just put it there. Okay, perfect. Alberto, something orange. Orange. Something orange. Okay, really good. Put it there. In the orange. Rafa, something purple. Purple. Something purple. Okay, perfect. Something purple. 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 Perfect. And now, Gerard, are you going to find something black? Black. Black. Okay, really good. And put it there. Okay, something black. What is the black? Pear.